Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some countryside kitchen decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Here are some countryside kitchen decoration ideas to bring a charming and rustic feel to your space. Open shelving. Use open wooden shelves to display your dishes, glassware, and rustic kitchen accessories. This adds a casual and welcoming vibe. Farmhouse sink. Install a classic farmhouse sink with an apron front. It's both practical and stylish, fitting perfectly into a countryside theme. Vintage accessories. Incorporate vintage items such as antique canisters, old-fashioned scales, and rustic bread boxes. These items add character and a nostalgic touch. Wooden elements. Use natural wood for cabinets, countertops, and flooring. A wooden kitchen island can also serve as a focal point. Patterned textiles. Opt for gingham or floral patterns for curtains, tablecloths, and cushions. These patterns evoke a cozy countryside feel. Fresh flowers and herbs. Place fresh flowers in mason jars or pictures and keep potted herbs on the windowsill. This brings life and color into your kitchen. Bedboard paneling. Use bedboard or shiplap paneling on the walls or as a backsplash to add texture and a classic countryside look. Antique lighting. Choose vintage style light fixtures like pendant lights with exposed bulbs or lantern style candeliers to enhance the rustic ambience. Butcher block countertops. Consider butcher block countertops for a warm, inviting surface that's great for cooking and baking. Mix materials. Combine different materials such as stone, metal, and wood to create an eclectic and cozy kitchen atmosphere. Bold colors. Embrace 1970s color schemes such as avocado green, burnt orange, mustard yellow, and earthy browns for accents like curtains, tiles, or accessories. Vintage appliances. Look for retro style appliances in colors like pastel blue or pink. This can be a fun and functional addition to your kitchen. Macram and wicker. Incorporate macram plant hangers, wicker baskets for storage, or even wicker chairs at the kitchen table for a bohemian 70s vibe. Groovy wallpaper. Consider wallpaper with bold, geometric patterns or floral designs reminiscent of the 1970s. Use it on an accent wall or as a backsplash. Utility chic. Embrace the utility chic aesthetic with functional yet stylish kitchen tools and accessories in simple, durable materials like enamel ware and stainless steel. Victory Garden. Create a small indoor herb garden or display fresh produce in baskets to evoke the spirit of the Victory Gardens popular during the 1940s. Vintage posters. Decorate your walls with vintage posters or advertisements from the 1940s featuring food, kitchen appliances, or wartime themes. Pastel colors. Use soft pastel colors like mint green, powder blue, pale pink, or beauty yellow for walls, cabinets, and accessories to achieve a charming vintage look. Backlight accents. Look for kitchen accessories made from backlight, a popular material in the 1940s known for its durability and vibrant colors. Cottage curtains. Use simple floral or gingham pattern curtains with ruffles or tea bags to add a cozy cottage feel to your kitchen windows. Milk glass. Display milk glass vases, bowls, or serving dishes on open shelves or as centerpieces. Milk glass was a popular choice for kitchenware in the 1940s. Thank you so much for watching these videos.